Okay, so we're just gonna review coloring again, and sometimes this happens to all of us. Like to me, I'm in this mode, which is what is it called? It should hover here, Viewport Shading. You have to go all the way down here to change it. I'm not going to show you that. It's a waste of time. So this is like a prism, right? Press rotate, rotate it, whatever way you want, and so on. So if you're ever having issues and you come in here, you create a color for it and it doesn't show. Another method is, meaning it doesn't come up here and it's staying gray, for example. What you might need to do is this. You need to come in here and go to edit mode, right? Edit mode, which is tab, right? Okay. So I'm going to come in here and press A for all the faces. See? I've got all the faces by pressing A. That's nice. So I've created previous ones. I can always come in here and add it to one of these. It'll work now because you're in you're in edit mode, and if you hit assign, it'll take it, right? But let's say you want to make a new color for this, right? So we go in here, we make a new color, and we're going to go some other color. Let's go green of some kind, okay? Right there. And I'm going to go a little darker, whatever it is. I don't know, something like that. Green, right? Okay, so notice, hey, it's not happening, Balian. What's going on? It's because, watch this, if I hit assign now, only, okay, because these faces were selected, okay? Let's undo that for a second. Let's say I only had this face selected, right? And I go and select this green when I hit assign. So only this face works, see? Isn't that cool? So I can come in here now and say, okay, you two sides are going to be green. Watch this. Click on the green. Assign. However, this side and that side I want to be purple haze. So let's go in here, crystal, see? So now you can do multiple colors on one surface. In 3ds Max, that's called multi-sub object, and basically when you have a bunch of these here, they also show up down here, which is very cool. Now watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to tab out, get out of that prism, come over here, okay? So now you see? What does this guy have? Hang on, let me just bring this up. Woohoo, right here, like this, right? Let's say I wanted these guys. You got to pay attention. This is kind of cool. Watch. I'm going to take these parts of the fins. I'm going to make different colors on them, okay? So check this out. Tab. Okay, I'm going to select this face, this face, this face, here, here, here. Here, here, shift left click, shift left click, shift left click, and so on and so on. Let me just zoom in. I think I deselected something here. What happened here? I messed up over there for sure. Okay, good enough, right? So I've got these guys, right? Watch this. Because I created previous materials here, previous materials down here, I can come in here and go, boom, purple, assign, okay? But let's say now I want to add a different color for the fins, right? So now I hit plus. I'm going to say, let's say new. I'm going to call this blue. Blue for you. Blue. Okay, so let's go. Make this some kind of a blue here. Okay, so let's go really something like that. Okay, that's what I want. So I'm going to click here now. Click on this face. Shift left click, the same thing I was doing. I'm just going to do one side. I'm going to cheat here, okay? Here, just this side, okay? Like that. So you see I've selected only these faces. I'm going to go to blue, and I'm going to hit assign. Look how nice that is, eh? So shift left click, and so on and so on. And then you come down here and say, I don't want you to be purple. I want you to be blue. Isn't that nice? So now you have multiple. Basically, you could do value changes, right? This is the beauty of this, right? So if you're in here blue and you want the next one to be a little darker, you could do that. You go to the next one goes a little darker or a little brighter, okay? So, right? I can come in here now and go, I want to change this to, watch this. I'm going to come in here, eyedropper, boom. It all becomes the same. So I'm going to call this blue 2 now. Watch. Blue 2. I changed it, right? So now what I see how I can change the value of this. Come down, come down. See? Blue 2. See the difference? Does that make sense to you guys? What do you think? So if I tab out, now I'm going to grab this piece here. Because I already made that orange color, watch this. I can select box 1 color, see? Or I can come in here and say, no, I want the crystal color. Boom. And so on. Okay? Right? Remember, guys, you can come in here now. You can go tab like this. Where's tab? And bring my loop cut right here and go 1. And you can do another cut and get out. And then every so often, you can select these faces. So if I go tab faces here, for example, watch this. If I select 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And I go extrude along normals, watch this. Is that going to work? Yeah, it is. So this one has this piece, see? So every so often you can come in here and go, oh yeah, I'm going to extrude, whatever. Let's just go 1, 2, 3, whatever. Like that. See, I'm going to make different ones. See how this is changing now? Look how cool this is. Guys, you're not looking. It's okay. Don't look. It's fine. I won't take it personally. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. Watch this now. I'm going to extrude, right? This way. And then you can come in here and change, like you can scale these in. You can do so many cool things, right? Look at that. I just scaled those in. I'm going to scale them down and so on and so on. Okay, so this looks pretty awesome in my opinion. I'm just saying. Just saying. Okay, I'll stop. This was supposed to be about color, right? Yeah. And then we'll add glow on tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. What are you saying there? Wow. Okay, eyedropper. Yep, good. We'll make that glow tomorrow, okay? Tab out. Here, I'll make another one right now. Here, I'll make a new one. And go purple glow. Let's say some glow color. I think this might work. Glow. How can I do that, Balian? Right here, emission. And the color we want is purple. Purple. Emission strength, let's say 20. Boom. Anything happening here? Anything? Let me just render this for a second. I don't think I have a camera right now, so what if I check here? Emission, let's say 100. 100. Nope, I'm not seeing it. I gotta put the light on or something. Oh, because I haven't applied it. That's why. Glow. Something's not working. I'll figure this out. Okay? I'll be back. Balian back. Okay, so there was a reason why my emission wasn't working. I'm gonna kind of talk about this tomorrow, but just a heads up here. So let me just undo. Let me just tab out for a second. So I'm gonna grab this. So I said there's a material down here that is glow, right? So I need to select it and apply it sometimes. So if it doesn't work, like for this one, like it's on glow, right? You see how this one's not glowing? See? It's on glow, right? Not working, right? This is what I said to you guys. Tab, press A, select all the faces, and now please say assign somewhere. Come on, man. Oh, because I'm not in tab. That's why. A, and then if I assign it, that glows. How cool is that, eh? Joe, you're going to like that one, aren't you? The glow effect is pretty sweet, eh? So if I take a render of this, let me see if it's going to work. I added a sun too. Where's my render? Whoa, that was quick, eh? That was nice. Oh, baby. Okay, I'm going to stop geeking out. Bye-bye.